Hi there, students. Gallant, an adjective. Gallantry, the noun. And gallantly, the adverb. Okay, gallant as an adjective, I think the major meaning nowadays is somebody who tries very hard to be kind and polite and considerate towards women. Yeah, somebody very courteous. It's related to this word chivalry or chivalrous that I made a video the other day. Very gentlemanly and polite. I think the noun gallantry, it can refer to being gallant or polite, but I would use this one referring to being brave in a dangerous or difficult situation. He was given a medal for gallantry. Yeah. He gallantly opened the door for the elderly lady. The thumbnail is Sir Walter Raleigh, and there's a story that apparently gallantly he put his cloak over a puddle so that the Queen didn't get her feet dirty. I don't know if that's true or not, but, well, an apocryphal story, as they may say. Yeah, so they fought very gallantly in the war. I think maybe this word gallant and gallantry, maybe it's a little bit old-fashioned, but I think you could use it. Maybe both of them sound a little bit literary. Yeah? If you make a gallant effort to do something, you try very hard to do it, but in the end you fail. So he was, my team were 4 goals down, and they gallantly scored the first 3 goals, but they just couldn't make it. Okay, so gallant, being brave or heroic, or being charmingly chivalrous to women. He gallantly kissed her hand. Yeah, he's a very gallant old gentleman. Yeah, certainly most gallant. He's very polite. That was not very gallant of you to push your way past the ladies. Yeah, if you're gallant, you show no fear in a dangerous or difficult situation. Yeah, there was fierce competition, and he made a gallant effort to win, but it just wasn't his day. Yeah. Yeah, he showed his gallantry in the face of enemy fire. Okay, he gallantly resisted the attackers. Yeah, unflinching in battle, valiant, brave. Yeah. You can also actually use gallant to mean smart or boldly stylish. So you look very gallant in that new hat. Yeah, I love your gallant new shoes. Yeah, an interesting adjective to use. Okay, the gallant warriors in the Ukraine on both sides. Yeah, a gallant knight. Yeah, very definitely. This word gallant reminds me of chivalry and knights of chivalry. Yeah, he made a gallant attempt to jump over the wall, but he just couldn't do it. I guess you could call a person a gallant. That's as in a dandy, somebody who's very concerned about his dress and his fashion. Yeah, so gallant, brave in battle, or brave in action, or brave in danger, courageous. Yeah, he made a gallant attempt, a valiant, spirited attempt to do this. Yeah, okay, and when the ladies appear, you need to be very gallant, yes, because they're sticklers for propriety. Okay, so yeah, be gallant. Yeah, he was mentioned in dispatches, or she was mentioned in dispatches for gallantry. So gallant, brave, valiant, honourable, grand, noble. Okay, formality. This word to me sounds rather literary. Um, Gallantry. I think I'd probably only give it a 6, maybe a 6.5 in formality. You could just about use it in an informal conversation. I think maybe it sounds like you're joking about a bit. In a semi-formal conversation or a posh semi-formal conversation, it would sound great. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French galant, meaning courteous or brave, which itself comes from Proto-Germanic wal, which comes from Proto-Indo-European well, meaning to choose or to wish. Okay, so many people are making valiant attempts to watch all my videos, but I just keep making them. Okay, gallant attempts, I should have said, sorry. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Gallant, gallantry, gallantly.